for the joy of doing, help only for the joy of helping. Thank you. Now, I hand over the mic to Mrs. Shobha.
Thank you, Sharma ma'am. Throw back your shoulders. Let the heart sing. Let the eyes flash. Let the mind be lifted up. Look forward and say to yourself, nothing is impossible, said Norman Vincent Peale. I now request our chief guest, Shri Shekhar Iyer sir, to share his thoughts and advise and motivate the students on this occasion. Please, sir.
First of all, congratulate the principal, teachers, staff, and students of our school on the occasion of this annual day. On this eventful day, I wish you all a very happy, bright, and healthy future. This is a very important year for me and the school here, as the first batch of 12th stream would be entering for the examinations this year. I am tensed. Principal, are you? I wish them all the very best. Children are our tomorrow, and we also know that tomorrow is today's future. Bright faces that I see today will be the citizens of tomorrow. They may tomorrow grow up to be Einsteins, Rabindranath Tagore's, Abdul Kalam, Kishore Kumar, and why not, maybe Sachin Tendulkar. To grow up as good citizens, one needs values. It is in our hands, in the hands of our school, teachers, and it is in the hands of the school and teachers and parents to instill these values in our students, which will help them to grow up as good human beings who will contribute to the society. Today, the society is changing fast. The film media, which was supposed to be a reflection of society, are glorifying a degraded culture which can affect our child. Movies like, I am sorry to say, Don 1, Ravan can be the examples wherein the evil is glorified. Today's young generation is getting confused while differentiating what is taught and what gets depicted in our movies. We as responsible parents and teachers need to be aware of this situation so that the same can be tackled amicably. We need to tell them, keep the doors and windows of mind open so as to allow the breeze to enter freely, but at the same time, take due care to see that you don't fly away with the wind. Friends, we all know river has two banks. The difference between the flood and the normal river is water flow is regulated in a river, whereas in case of flood, water has no direction. Similarly, the energy in our life needs some direction to flow. Here again, teachers and parents have a vital role to play to set in a direction for the students. When we are happy, there is a great deal of life energy in us, but when it is not channelized, it gets stuck. When it stagnates, it rots. For life energy to move in one direction, commitment is essential. Life runs with commitment. If you observe all small or big things in life, they go with certain commitment. A student takes admission in school or college with a commitment. Needless to say, a family runs on commitment. Mother is committed to the child is committed to the parents, husband to the wife, and wife to the husband. Greater the commitment, more is the authority, and things become easier. Smaller commitments suffocate us because our capacity is much large. We are all born in this world to do something wonderfully unique. Don't let this opportunity pass you. Give yourself the opportunity or the freedom to dream, think and big. Have the courage and determination to achieve those dreams that are dear to you. Many a time, people who dreamt big were ridiculed, but they remained strong to achieve their goals. The examples are plenty. While focusing on excellence in academics, one should not forget that education does not mean mathematics and physics alone. Education means intellectual, emotional, cultural and social development of a person. One cannot be a unidimensional person who is good in crunching marks but does not know how to be a good neighbor. it is not marks alone which makes a man. It is said, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. There must also be focus on sports, art and culture in our education, and I congratulate our principal and the school for doing best for developing multidimensional personalities through all these activities. Nothing is impossible in life. Any person can achieve a goal defined in his or her life. Always remember, life's battle does not go to the stronger or the faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Finally, students, I urge you all to perform well, as each of one has the potential to win. In this fast-moving and fast-changing world, you need to be equipped with relevant skills and knowledge in order to excel on the global stage. I thank you all once again, and I am sure that all present here will thoroughly enjoy each and every moment of this annual day celebration. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.